Imagine that your company's system go dark, your data is locked, and the network completely crippled. The clock is ticking, tick, tick, and every second not just costs you money, but it's trust. In today's connected world, incident response aren't just possible, they are inventable. And how can you respond make all the difference? Welcome to this video on security incidents, lifecycle and response, where we will break down exactly how to prepare, identify and recover from security threats step by step. So let's dive in. So in this video, we will cover the essential stages of responding to security incidents from preparation to lessons learned so you can help keep your organization resilient against cyber threats. First, what exactly is security incidents? Well, it's any event that threatens the confidentiality, integrity, or availability of your system or data. Think of events like phishing, malware, infection, or even DDoS attacks. Incidents can come from many directions, and each one requires a strong response. The incident life cycle follows a series of 6 crucial steps: preparation, identification, containment, eradication, recovery, and lessons learned. These stages are designed to help you detect, control, and recover from the incidents effectively. Now, let's break each one of them. First step, preparation. This is all about getting ready before an attack occurs. It means building a response plan, sharing your staff, and setting up security tools like firewalls, SIEM systems, and automated monitoring solutions. A well-prepared team is a strong defense against threats. In identification phase, your goal is to recognize when an incident has occurred. Security teams rely on monitoring tools, log analysis, and alert systems to detect unusual activity and confirm any threats as quickly as possible. Once an incident identified, the immediate focus is containment, stopping the threat from spreading further. This could mean isolating infected devices, disabling compromised accounts, or even segmenting parts of your network temporarily to limit danger. Next, eradication. This phase is all about removing the threat from your environment. It could involve deleting malware, applying software patches, or cleaning up compromised files. The goal is to ensure the attacker access is completely eliminated. With the threat removed, we move to recovery. Here we restore normal operations by rebuilding systems, restoring from backups, and conducting tests to confirm everything's stable and secure. The idea is to get back to business with confidence. Once the operation's back to normal, it's critical to review the incident. This lessons learned phase is where the team reflects on what went well, what didn't, and how can they improve for the future. It's the feedback loop that turns each incident into a learning opportunity. A coordinated response depends on an effective team. Let's look at the roles involved. Incident manager leads the response, security analyst investigates the threat, IT operations handle system recovery, the legal team manages compliance, and the PR handles public communication. Each role has a unique responsibility, working together to ensure a smooth response. Here are some best practices to enhance your incident response process. automate detection to catch threat faster, update your response plans regularly to stay ahead, establish clear communication protocols during incidents, document every action for future reference. This practice will strengthen your team's ability to handle incidents efficiently. And that's the security incident lifecycle. Each phase, from preparation to lessons learned, plays a crucial role in protecting your organization against cyber threats. By investing in a strong response process, you build a foundation for resilience. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content in cybersecurity and network. Stay secure.